Legend adjustment changes on the main plant page for Blue Vantage. How do we do that? Where do we get that flexibility on which legend? If we kind of look at that, there's two legends that you are allowed to make an adjustment and kind of fine tune what the colors look like and really what's important to you based on your planting rate, the prescription you are using, etc. So right now I am selected on actual population. And of course, if I tap on this top box, if I'm not there today, let's say I was looking at my singulation range, I want to go to population. This is actual applied population. And of course, I have a demo field getting planted, and you can see different rates that I've planted, and of course, the different colors. You can change how those colors are viewed and what bucket is which color. You can see down here in the lower left-hand corner, that gives us our legend information. You can see the pencil icon next to, in this case, the corn icon in the lower left corner. If we tap on this box, it allows us to change the bucket levels for each color. Okay, so you can change and modify it however you so choose. So we can choose our lower range, mid-range, and our upper range, and of course, just by changing those levels. Of course, it allows and alerts you if you're out of range so you don't overlap or put too many of the same in there by default. And again, you can change those to whatever you so choose. As soon as you make that change and hit the checkbox, you can see, of course, the colors are completely different. So allows you some flexibility to adjust that legend to, again, fit your population range. We default it based on the population you have entered in, but I realize with prescription maps, etc., you might want different buckets and different colors to show up. We have this adjustable legend both for population, like you see here, and if I hit my box and you're running fertilizer on your Blue Vantage equipped planter, if we go to the actual applied fertilizer rate, you have the same legend to adjust. So again, you can see the pencil icon next to the fertilizer icon. So if we tap on that box, same style of bucket, same style of adjustment like you have on the seed population screen as well. If I go back and I choose a different layer, let's say my singulation layer, you notice that that one is not adjustable without going into the alerts tab real time on the screen itself. So adjustable legends, actual applied seed, actual applied fertilizer allow you to customize how you view the data while you're planting through the field.